Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can create a coming soon website using HTML, CSS and also JavaScript. So here is a project that we are going to create. So those are days, hours, minutes and also seconds. So the time period is 1st January 2022. When it's complete the particular date, then it will close automatically. So I'm going to show you how you can create that, right? So I go to my code editor, and inside my code editor I have a index.html, style.css, script.js. Also I have an image like this one. So we're going to use this one image inside our project. So let's get started to create the project. So I will use the header tag. In the header tag I will use the outside content. Inside there I'm going to use h2 website coming soon. Then I'm going to use paragraph tag, and I'm going to use some text like our website under construction. We are working on it. We will ready to launch it after. So we're gonna display the time, date and many other things after that. So save it and open that in the live server. You will able to see this one text, right? So I go to my style.css. So I will use reset property, and I'm gonna use padding will be 0. Margin will be 0, box sizing will be border box. Also I'm going to use font family will be Poppins, right? So let's see, right? And then I'm going to select the header tag. In the header tag I will first I'm going to show you header tag. In the header tag I will add the image, images, not that image, bg image, and no repeat, center color. Then I'm going to use min height will be 100 ph because I want to display the whole image in the complete screen of the page, right? So those are our text and this is the image. Then I'm going to add the oval effect on there. So I'm going to use header. In the header I will use the, just a minute, I'm going to use header colon before, and I'm going to use position will be absolute, but we need to use the position relative on there. Then I'm going to use content null, and background I'm going to use RGBA 0.7, top 0. This is the position. Left will be 0, width will be 100%, height will be 100%. Then you will able to see overlay on there, but I think width and height will be 100% right now, as you can see. So I can't see the text right now, so we need to use the z index on there, -1. Also we need to get that based on the same thing. You are able to see the text right now. Then I'm going to select the outside content like this one, and I'm going to use the display property to display the content in the center of the page. Flex direction will be column, and justify content will be center. Height I will use 100 VH because I want to display the content in the center of the page right now, as you can see. And finally I will use the color white. So let's see, right? Then I'm going to add the text align center because in the smaller screen size I will use that padding 2 rem outside, right? Perfect. Then I'm going to select h2 tag like this one. In there Okay, just a minute, this is array, but I will use the font size will be 5M. And then I'm going to select the same thing, but this time I'm going to select the paragraph tag. And the paragraph tag, I will use the 1.2 rem of the font size right now. Perfect. Then we're gonna use the counter. What the counter is, the counter will, after this, when div, closing div, I will use the counters div. Inside there I'm gonna use the time. Inside the time I will use the span tag. Span ID I will use days. Inside there I also use the class will be numbers. So we're gonna display the 00 means 00 days. So I also use same tag like span and assign the text days. So we're gonna get that. Per second time, this will be hours. I leave the numbers because I will assign the same styling on there, and this will be hours, right? Get that, paste there, and this will be minutes, and on there will be minutes. Get that and paste on there, and this will be seconds. So this will be seconds. So let's see where it is. Okay, I will assign the what? I will assign the display grid. So first, second, third, and fourth. So we're gonna select that, and I'm gonna show you. I use display grid template column repeat for 1FR. First we're gonna say that also I will use color wheel. Why? Because I want to display the content. Okay, I can't see the content right now, but I need to use the I'll use that one because I think no. Yes, I am able to see the content on below right now, as you can see. So I'll leave that, but why I am able to see the content on below? Just a minute, I need to check that. So okay, I will get that and paste inside there. I think it should be displayed on there. Perfect. Right now, as you can see. Then we're gonna use the what? Grid gap 2 rem, margin top and bottom 2 rem, left and right 0. Font size I will use 1.5 rem. Then I'm gonna select the counters, span tag, and I will use display block because I want to display the second, minutes, hours, days on below of the each number. So save and let's see, right? Then I will select the time class. I'm going to show you time div. In the time div I will use the padding 2 rem, means outside I want to make a space of the each element like there. If you will use the border, then you will able to see padding like this one, right? But I will leave this one, then I will remove that. Then I'm going to select the numbers, and I'm going to use font size will be 5M. Font weight I'm going to use 800. So let's see. Right now, as you can see, so our days, hours, minutes, and seconds. So we don't need to use that. So I will also use the media to make it responsive. Max width with 768 pixels. and there I will change the size of the h to there, and this will be 3.3 RAM and this will be 1 RAM. Also I will get this one counter area and paste on there. I need to use 2 RAM. This will be 1. Leave the content, and also I will use margin top and bottom 1 RAM. I'll leave the font size on there, right? And finally I will select the numbers. In the numbers I will change the size 3.5 RAM in the small screen size. So let's see, right, everything is clear on there, guys. So let's work on the JavaScript to display the date, time, and also hours. So first of all, you need to create a variables days, assign the value document dot query selector. You need to get the days ID like this one, paste on there. Get the hours, and you need to get the hours on there, the hours ID. Then you need to get the minutes. So those are variables. We will use those variables inside our JS, and those are values. We will get those values and assign the value inside the variables. We will use those variables inside JS to display the dynamically countdown timer. So let's get the seconds, right? Once you get all of the data and assign the data inside the variable, then you need to assign the countdown timer value. So I want to display the countdown timer after this 1 year, means I want to complete this 1 year 2023. Then I want to display my site. I want to display my site after completing this year. So you need to define the particular number or particular time period. So I will use new year. This is my time period. So create a new, call the function date. Inside there you need to define the time period. So I call the Jan 1 2024, and then also you need to define the time like this way, and also you need to use get time. This function will help us to display the current date and time, and it will automatically increase. Let me show you in the console screen. In console right now, as you can see, when you refresh that, right, you are able to see the current date and time, means particular time. Then we're gonna create a function update countdown. So inside there we need to get the current time, right? Current time means this time. So call the new date function get time now. So this is our current time right now. I will call that. So let's see output of that. Okay, where it is, console. Okay, we need to call this one function outside of this one function. Then you will able to see the current time. Right now, as you can see, each time it will increase. Right now, as you can see. So this is our current time. Then what we need to do on there, we need to get this one here and divide by, minus the value on this variable. So let me show you. So I will create a downtime variable, assign the value new year. This is my particular countdown timer value. So I need to use negative by now time. Then you will call the function, variable like downtime. Then it will automatically decrease each time on our particular time like this one. So refresh the page, as you can see, when I refresh that, as you can see, it will automatically decrease each time, right? Then we're gonna use we're gonna get the seconds, minutes, hours and days, right? So you can use let. First of all, we need to get the seconds. The second value is 1000. Then you need to get the variable, get the minutes. So you need to use minutes. You need to call the second variable like this one and times by 60. Then you will get the minutes. Then you need to get the hours. So in hours, you need to call the minute function of variable and divide by 60. Then you need to get the days, day. So you need to divide that, divide by 24. Yeah, right? So you have seconds, minutes, hours and days. If you want to call that, you will get the seconds, minutes, hours, days. Let me show you. I target the seconds, then you will get the seconds. Right now, as you can see, the seconds value. If you call the minutes, you are getting the minutes value right now, and you will get that. You will get the hours value, and you will get the days. You will get the days value, right? So I want to convert them in the particular time period. So what I need to do on there, I will create another variable like day and assign the value downtime, this one variable, divide by day. Then you will get the particular day by assigning this one value, right? So let's see how much days to complete the 2023. So those are days after completing this 1 year, 330 days. But also I am able to see dot and many other things, values on there. So I need to remove that. So we need to call the function like math flow parentheses. Inside there you need to paste that, save it, and then you will get the particular number of this year, right? If you assign the year like January 2025, then you will get another data like this one, right? So which time period you want to assign on there, then you will get that on there, right? So I will get the hours. So I use same thing, math flow. Inside there I need to use double parentheses and call the downtime, this one variable, and then I need to use modulus by day variable, divide by hours. Then I will get the hours. Then I will use the minutes. I will use this way to save the time, minutes. So downtime, then I need to select the hours, divide by minutes. So you will get the minutes. Same thing you need to do, seconds, downtime, minutes, divide by seconds, right? So let's see in the console log, days, 330 days, hours, 7 hours, and minutes, how much? 47 on this time period, right? So during the video, this is the current time period that I have been building this one countdown timer. So I want to assign the value inside my particular sections like days, hours, minutes, and seconds. So I need to use this one variable and use tar and HTML and assign the value day, this one day. So let's see, as you can see, 30 days. Then I will get that, and we need to display the hours, and we need to target the H on there. So let's see. Okay. What happened on there? Okay, just a minute. Okay, hours. This is time. Okay, this I will use hour on there because hour. This will be hour. Not there. I'm gonna use that. Hour. I think it should be displayed right now. As you can see, 7 hours. So we need to use same thing. So I need to get the minutes on there. I need to assign the minutes on there. So let's see, 25 minutes. And finally I need to use the days, I mean seconds, sorry, seconds, and target the second variable. So let's see right now, but it's not running each second, means it's not running automatically. So we need to create a function and assign the value how much time it will take to run automatically. So you need to use set timeout, and just a minute, set timeout. You need to call this one function. Inside there you need to target your update function like this one without parentheses, and you need to assign the time period, how much time it will take to run the function. So I target the 1 second, 1001 seconds, save it, and then okay, just a minute, what happened on there? Set timeout, update. Just a minute, why it's not running right now? So I think we need to check. This is seconds, divide by seconds, seconds. Okay, I think we need to check that. Okay, just a minute, I will comment that, and first we're gonna check that. We're gonna display the second. I think here is a problem right now. So seconds, downtime, minutes, divide by seconds. Everything is clear on there, guys. I don't know why it doesn't appear on there. So where is seconds? So I need to paste the seconds. I will use that second. I think I need to check that. Yes, it's working right now, as you can see. Perfect. So I uncomment that. As you can see, guys, it's running right now in the website. But the important thing is on there, I want to display the 0 before this 7 number. So I need to use the if statement. After this one I need to use if. Also I will use the h means hours. I need to use h less than 10. Then I need to use the h, assign the value 0, concatenation sign, and h variable like this one. Also you need to get that, paste there, and you need to target the m, means minutes, and paste on there. Means if the minutes or second and also hour value less than 10, then assign the 0 value. So save. Let's see right now, as you can see. Perfect. Finally I will stop this one time period when it will complete that particular time. When it will hit 303 days, 30 days, then I want to stop this one countdown timer. So I need to target the if statement. I will use if statement. Inside there I need to target the new year, this one variable that I have created on earlier. Then I use a kill sign and target the date function. When it will complete this one date, then I want to stop the countdown timer, otherwise it will running automatically with negative values. So inside there we need to use set interval. That's it. So, and it will running automatically when it will complete the time period, then it will automatically stop right now. So this is our landing page. You can say that landing page or coming soon website with countdown timer. So guys, I hope you are understood as well how you can create that. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, guys.